today guys, we're making Lemony lemon bars with Emma and Georgia. And guys, subscribe to the channel to get all the recipes.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
Okay, so let's go, let's do it.
Let's go. We need 2 sticks of butter. Now we just pour in sugar.
Look at that technique. Have you ever thought of doing a cooking show?
Ha, funny.
Okay, now
we're gonna mix it till the butter's all in the sugar.
Mix it?
Okay, that looks good. And now we need 2 cups of flour and a pinch of salt.
Okay, good.
I think it's good. It has some chunky bits of butter.
Okay, we're gonna put it on parchment paper, right?
Just give it a pat.
Just give it a pat. Oh, is that what you're supposed to do with your hands?
Yeah, pat it down.
What's really cool, you got these little chunks of butter that make it nice and flaky. Oven is preheating, and so that's it. Emma, thank you for showing us the crust.
You're welcome. I know you needed me. You couldn't do it without me.
And you are not my crusty daughter. Okay, so in it goes, preheated oven at 350 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. Emma did the crust, you're doing the filling, so what's the filling?
So the filling is like a lemon sort of, no, not cream, like.
It's lemon curd.
Yeah, curd.
Yeah, lemon curd, okay.
Good, it's sweet.
And we're gonna make it lemony, because last time you guys didn't make it overly lemony.
Yeah.
Lemon bars have to be lemony, right?
Yeah.
They're called lemon bars.
They're called lemon bars.
For a reason.
Yes.
So we're going to be adding 4 eggs.
4 eggs. Okay,
Perfect.
perfect. A couple of our lemons from our tree.
Really, Dad? Really?
Yeah, throw them out. I thought that was kind of cute. Add some lemon zest, and you can just use a cheese grater. That's what I'm doing.
They smell really lemony.
Doesn't it smell lemony? Okay, good. What's next, honey?
Now we're going to be adding a cup of lemon juice. I hope you don't have any open cuts, Dad.
Oh.
Okay. Good, done. Okay. Now what? Pour it in?
Yep.
Okay, so good. Done. Okay, whip that up, Gigi.
6 tablespoons of flour.
Okay.
That's 1, 2,
You're freestyling, eh?
3,
Okay.
and 6. So now we're going to be adding 1.5 cups of sugar. Dad, did you know that sugar actually cooks eggs?
No.
Well, it does, so that's why whenever you're making something with sugar and eggs, you always have to mix fast because then it will cook.
And how do you know that?
I watched a baking show.
Can I taste?
I want another.
Very nice, eh?
It's wicked.
Ooh. Smell the butter.
You can't smell it.
Smell the butter. Okay, so.
We're gonna pour it.
Ooh, this looks good.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Good.
Yeah, look at that. So it goes in the oven twice. Once for the crust and once for the filling.
Really?
Yeah, really. And this goes right into the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. And so that's it. I'm gonna have a vodka soda. Look at that, D. So this has to cool for about 15 minutes so it sets.
As if we'll be able to wait for 15 minutes.
Oh no!
Okay, look at all those nice edges. Okay, so
Eat it.
here's what we do. Well, how do you want to cut it?
Cut it in at least fourths. It better be.
Now, if we waited a little longer for it to set, it would be better, but we can't wait. Wow, this smells so lemony.
I want it.
Poor Dante's being a champ with all this.
You don't even ask me if you've been yet.
Here, Dante, you deserve this.
I got a crispy bit.
Good?
Oh.
And now we'll finish with some icing sugar.
It's yummy.
Oh my God, these look so good.
So good.
Yummers!
Well, I have to say, these look pretty good.
do.
Let's try. Look at the crispy. Wow, these are good. How is it, bud? How is it?
Good.
Pretty good, eh?